Hey everyone, hey, today we are checking out something pretty special down here in beautiful Naples, Florida. This is a custom-built beachfront home sitting right on the 2nd Avenue South, and it's listed for $39 million. I think what makes this place incredible is the view. You're looking on a 135 feet of prime beach frontage with completely uninterrupted use of the water. Basically, almost every room in this home was designed around the ocean view. Check out this wraparound porch. It's the spot where you could easily spend, I think, half of your day. And I'm thinking, wake up, have your morning coffee, go to the beach, come back and enjoy a gorgeous sunset right there from your home. That's just beautiful. So I'm helping my friend with this listing, and they only today have photography and some drone shots, and that's where the new Giraffe PRO Camera comes in. We will be generating more real estate media for this listing to increase its visibility online. Stepping in from the porch, you'll land right in the main living room. This space has a subtle coastal vibe, I would say, with a bit of that touch of the nautical inspiration. There's a fireplace nicely tucked in the corner, but the real centerpiece here is the wall of windows. The beach is right here. It completely steals the show. Like, that is the central theme, obviously. Let's take a quick fly through the central parts of the property, but don't be worried. I'm not really flying like an actual drone in a $39 million home. Rather, I'm using a 3D Gaussian splat that gets created from the Giraffe PRO Camera. As we move through the home, you notice how the views follow your everywhere. Every direction you look, there's a sunlight pouring in and the ocean on the horizon. When we reach the dining space, this table immediately catches my attention. I would say it looks like reclaimed ash. Solid, timeless, and beautifully crafted, is the kind of table built to outlast any trend. Moving down the hallway, we reach the kitchen, and I think this is where the home gets the full coastal luxury. With the marble countertops, white cabinetry, and the subtle gold fittings that tie everything nicely together. It's clean, it's elegant, it's absolutely timeless. And here's something funny. I know that's not the statue of the world's mysterious golfer. It's just our AI blur feature being a little overprotective. We keep it on for privacy reasons, so any personal photo faces that appear are automatically blurred. But let me jump into the editor really quickly and remove that. Actually, let me try removing the statue from the tour altogether. Usually this works better on a small items, but let's give it a shot. You know, I think that actually looks good. That's not bad. If you look really close, you might notice the edit, but most people would not even know that mysterious golfer was there. While I'm in the editor, I'm going to tweak the colors a bit. Let's go with the Delicate Cool preset. Nice. This brings out the blues from the ocean, and let me apply this to all virtual tour, so it all comes in this tailored style. Next, we move into the office. It's set up with a beautiful, looks like a credenza and leather chair. A really classic combination. You can't go wrong with this. I know that there are two of them, one on each side of the room, and the best piece in the middle, if you're wondering, is actually a red light therapy lamp. Great for muscle recovery, I'm heard, especially after a long day on the water. Another detail I love is the wood paneling on the ceiling. It adds warmth, texture, giving the space that coastal luxury feel without feeling over the top. Next, we move into the main bedroom, and as with everything in this house, it's all about the views. You can fall asleep and wake up on the sounds of the ocean right outside your window. But if there happens to be a cooler morning, you light up the fireplace and have a breakfast with the front row seat again of the ocean. Oh, that's cool. I would enjoy this. It's right out there, there's a hot tub, perfect for relaxing, soaking in the views from the porch. Another beautiful gem. Bathroom continues that clean, luxurious look. It's finished with marble with white painted wood cabinetry, keeping the space bright and airy. But I think that nickel elements adds a subtle touch of sophistication. Let's go further. I really love these sturdy oak floorings throughout the home. It's timeless, it's clean, incredibly practical, especially if you're coming in from the beach with sand on your feet. There's something about wood under your feet that makes the whole house feel grounded and connected. But by the way, if you ever want to enjoy a better view of a virtual tour while exploring, you can always close the mini map on the left-hand side. That gives you more screen to enjoy property. Let's move on to the next bedroom. This next one is white wood, very nautical feel, almost like the cabin of a yacht. The wood floors continues here, which is great for anyone with allergies, no carpets or tarp to gather the dust or pollen. And let me zoom out to the floor plan so you get a better perspective of the property layout. This is a cool new feature we added, 3D floor plan, interactive 3D floor plan. It's like you are holding a miniature model of the home in your hand. Here is the path we just walked through. The kitchen, into the office, into the main bedroom, quick detour through the bathroom, and now we are in this bedroom right here. The property has 5 bedrooms in total. The main bedroom, and then there are 4 arranged in the cluster. Let me jump through the next one so you can get a feel of each one of them. They all have their own unique vibe, and I love how each room feels private yet still part of the home. There's ample parking on the driveway, a huge garage downstairs, though today I don't have time to show you guys it. The yard is again breathtaking. It's in its simplicity. There are no tall hedges, heavy landscaping, even the fence is minimal. Everything designed to make the seaside feel immediate and inviting. You can easily imagine hosting garden party here, right up to the sound of the waves. Before arriving, this property had photos and few drone shots. Now this listing comes live with a virtual tour, drone fly through, and as I mentioned, it's generated from scan. The drone pilot didn't fly through the property. That would be a bit of a disaster. It also comes with these chill cinematic videos if drone fly through are not your cup of tea. Also included is ANSI compliant floor plan that morphs into the 3D interactive plan that you saw a moment ago, and to tie it all together, a dedicated listing website. For property like this, having its own site just makes everything feel more polished. It's also more personal than scrolling through listing portal or MLS. It really lets home shine. Important to note, on technology side, AI renders all content captured with the Giraffe PRO Camera, but I add the final tweaks to personalize to make everything stand out as what I think is the right style. What we have seen in numbers, the agents use Giraffe media tend to sell homes about 1 week faster. With all these upgrades, I can't wait to see how this gorgeous property finds its new owners, and maybe it's you. If you're a real estate photographer or just thinking about getting into the business, make sure to check the link in the description, and speak to you soon. Ciao.